So what you can also do is you can go around and utilize something called Scholar GPT to find out sources for different contents. So let's just go around onto Explore GPT is right here, and if I were to go around and scroll down, you can see that Scholar GPT is an option. So if I were to go around and start this out right here, then Scholar GPT simply opens up, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can go around and let's say, for example, say give me a list of references related to generations of computers right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it says Scholar GPT wants to talk to actions.cider.com. So you need to go around and allow it out so that it goes around and then connects out to the scholarly sets right here. So now once that is done, so now I said give a list, and now what happens is that it says here's a list of references related to generation of computers, and it even gave me a PDF file, as you can see right here, that I can utilize as a reference right here, just like this. And it makes the process of finding references much more easier, as you can see right here. So now let me just go around and stop this, and let's say, for example, I'm going to say give reference for this right here. So now let me just go around and add in a content right here. Let's say, for example, the future is digital right here. So I just typed in a content right here. You can make it a paragraph as well, and then what happens is that it searches for relevant sources for such content right here and provides you with that. So you can see that it says here are the references to the phrase the future is digital right here, grasping the future of digital society right here, and there's the link, as you can see right here, and it provides quite scholarly references right here that you can actually utilize. So that is how you can go around and utilize Scholar GPT inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.